दूसरी जानिब इस वक्त कुवैत के जो मंदूब हैं वो इस वक्त अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के इजलास से खिताब कर रही हैं।
Derail the diplomatic efforts and risks a wider conflict that will seriously affect regional and international security. In this context, the GCC affirms that such attacks, regardless of the justification, will only lead to deeper polarization and an expanded conflict, and they pave the way for a regional trajectory that is dangerous and that will not serve the interests of any population in the region. We also emphasize that security in the region cannot be achieved through escalation and bombardment, but through dialogue and political and diplomatic means, and through promotion of good neighborliness and mutual respect. The GCC group will continue the efforts aimed at de-escalation and to advance dialogue and diplomacy. We reiterate our commitment to working with the concerned parties for the sake of peaceful and lasting resolutions that guarantee peace and security in the region. We also call in this context for the greatest degree of restraint and wisdom and to avoid an expanded conflict. The international community, and in particular the UN Security Council, must uphold their responsibility in ending these violations. In conclusion, the GCC reiterates its firm commitment to support peace and security and stability in the region, and we categorically reject the violation of any state sovereignty under any pretext, and we warn against an expanded conflict that will only serve the forces of chaos and extremism. Thank you, Madam President.
Thank the representative of Kuwait for his statement. There are no more names inscribed on the list of speakers.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।